Hey YouTube, how we doing? Well, we've got another interesting, low-cost, everyday carry knife for you today. As you can see, it's made by Kershaw, and I'm sure you can see the name of it right there. But if not, you're going to see that title roll in just a moment, and that's going to give it away. So stay tuned. We'll be right back after that title. Okay, as you saw by the opening, we're taking a look at the Kershaw 1970X Burst. Now, after doing a little bit of digging, it appears Kershaw has discontinued this model. You can still find them in outlets like Amazon and other areas online, but you cannot find this on Kershaw's website. So, yeah, I love that opening. There it is, guys. The 1970 X-Ray Burst. It's got an overall length of 7 1/8 inches. The blade is 3 inches. Enclosed, it's about 4 1/8. Now, it's got a little weight to it at 3.6 ounces. And it's got an okay blade steel of the usual 8CR13 MOV. I know, it's a budget steel, but we're not talking about a high-end, gonna save your life if you get thrown out in the middle of the ocean knife here. As you saw, it has that speed safe technology. I mean, it's quick out of the gate, and I freaking love it. I did like some of the patterns on the handles, I should say on the scales here. It's kind of cool. The only thing I didn't like, plastic, class 3 and filled nylon, but once again, it's not a higher end dollar knife, so you're going to cut corners wherever you can. I get that. It does have a reversible pocket clip, but it's only got one position, and that's tip up. Now, as you can see, I'm kind of calling this a frame lock because I'm sorry, these bolt-on scales, to me, just don't count as the frame. Even though they're saying everywhere it's a liner lock, I kind of consider it a frame lock. Now, there's only one way to get this open. As you can see, there's no thumb studs. And I'll be honest, I saw this little divot in here, and I was like, what'd they do? Put a wave that far up? What the heck? That little divot's just for artistic looks. Seriously, that's it. There's only one way to open it, and that's the flipper. And man, it rockets out. Okay. So, as I said, it's been discontinued on Kershaw's website. So when we took a look at costs out there, the only other site that we took a look at, to be honest, was Amazon. And out there it's at $40 for this particular model. Now, I did find this at a local farming store called Coastal Farm and Ranch, and it's $27.99 there. When we went looking for the ratings, because I was curious what people thought, there's nothing on Kershaw's website, of course. Over on Amazon, it's 4.5 out of 5 stars with 185 reviews. Overall, lots of people loved it. The only thing they had complaints about is after repeated usage, I guess, the little pin right down here, they were breaking that. So that was their biggest drawback. But, guys, there's my quick look at it. I'd like to know what you think, as always. Leave your comments, questions, whatever, down below. If you're a first-time viewer to the channel, I want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your time with me. It means the world to me that you chose to watch one of my videos. You should be seeing a symbol popping up right over here. That's my company logo. Go ahead and click on that, and that will take you right to subscribe. After you've clicked on subscribe, please click on that bell icon. That will let you know every time we upload a brand new video. And speaking of videos, 2 of them are going to be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube selects from my catalog of videos, and they're going to think it's going to be a good viewing experience for you. But there we are, guys, the Kershaw 1970 X-Ray Burst. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.